Good morning friends. Last period we see the chapter wave optics which is completed now. आपल्याला ह्या पिरियड मध्ये नवीन चॅप्टर सुरू करायचा आहे. ड्युअल नेचर ऑफ रेडिएशन अँड मॅटर. रेडिएशन और लाइट बिहेव्स पार्टिकल as well as wave and that nature is called as dual nature of light. In the wave optics we see different phenomenons, reflection, refraction, diffraction. All these phenomenons will be explained on the basis of wave nature of light. हे सगळे जे फिनॉमेनॉन होते ते लाईटचं वेव नेचर कन्सिडर करून एक्सप्लेन केले होते. नाउ द लाईट ऑल्सो बिहेव्स एज ए पार्टिकल. लाईट हा पार्टिकल म्हणून सुद्धा बिहेव करतो आणि त्याच्यामध्ये डिफरंट फिनॉमेनॉन्स येतात. फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट, कॉम्प्टन इफेक्ट अँड सो ऑन. आणि म्हणून द नेचर ऑफ लाईट इज सेड टू बी ड्युअल नेचर. म्हणून लाईटच्या नेचरला ड्युअल नेचर म्हणतात. लाईट ॲज अ पार्टिकल ॲज वेल ॲज वेव्ह नेचर. आपल्याला ह्या पिरियड मध्ये पाहायचं आहे द फिजिकल फिनॉमेनॉन असोसिएटेड विथ द लाईट रेडिएशन. लाईट रेडिएशनशी असोसिएट असणारा फिजिकल फिनॉमेनॉन दॅट इज फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट. The scientist Heinrich Hertz in 1887 studied the phenomenon of photoelectric effect. The scientist Heinrich Hertz in 1887 discovered the phenomenon of photoelectric effect while working on the discovery of the production of electromagnetic waves in discharge tube, in discharge spark. He noticed that when electromagnetic waves incident on the metal electrode, a high voltage spark passes through the metal electrode. आपण जेव्हा एखाद्या मेटल इलेक्ट्रोडवर, एखाद्या मेटलवर इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक वेव्स इन्सिडेंट करतो तेव्हा हाय व्होल्टेज स्पार्क passes through this metal electrode or metal and the electrons are emitted. Electrons are ejected from the metal surface and this phenomenon is known as photoelectric effect. म्हणजे आपल्याला कसं डिफाइन करता येईल, आपल्याला कसा स्टेट करता येईल photoelectric effect? The phenomenon of emission of electrons from the metal electrode. The phenomenon of emission of electrons from the metal surface when an ultraviolet light or when the radiation is incident on it or when the radiation of suitable frequency incident on the metal surface. The phenomenon of emission of electrons from the metal electrode when incident by the ultraviolet radiation or incident by the radiation of suitable frequency is called as photoelectric effect. The surface which shows the phenomenon of photoelectric effect is called as photosensitive metal or photosensitive surface. The metals like cadmium, zinc, magnesium shows the photoelectric effect under the action of ultraviolet radiation. But there are some alkali metals which lithium, potassium shows the phenomenon of photoelectric effect under the action of visible light also. Means in short, photoelectric effect is the phenomenon of emission of electrons from the metal surface, phenomenon of emission of electrons from the metal electrode when exposed by, when it is incident by the ultraviolet radiation of suitable frequency is called as photoelectric effect and the electrons emitted are known as photoelectrons and the current which is produced due to this photoelectric effect is called as photoelectric current. Now we have to see the experimental setup to study the photoelectric effect. How the the photoelectric effect will be studied, how the photoelectrons are emitted, how the photoelectric current flows through the circuit, and which we have to perform an experiment which is the experimental arrangement to study the photoelectric effect is as shown in figure. This experimental arrangement consists of an evacuated glass tube. ही या ठिकाणी evacuated glass tube आहे. Having a side tube, की ज्या evacuated tube ला side tube आहे, प्रोव्हाइडेड विथ क्वार्ट्स विंडो, आणि त्या साइड ट्यूबला या ठिकाणी एक विंडो दिलेली आहे. ती विंडो क्वार्ट्स आहे. म्हणजे द एक्सपेरिमेंटल अरेंजमेंट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ एन इव्हॅक्युएटेड ग्लास ट्यूब हॅव्हिंग अ साइड ट्यूब प्रोव्हाइडेड विथ क्वार्ट्स विंडो. Later on, the two plates, one is called as emitter plate whose photoelectric effect is to be studied, and a collector plate will be fixed inside the tube. या ट्यूब मध्ये दोन प्लेट आपण या ठिकाणी फिक्स केलेले आहेत. एकाला म्हणतात एमिटर प्लेट, की ज्या एमिटर प्लेटचा आपल्याला फोटोइलेक्ट्रिक स्टडी करायचा आहे, आणि दुसरा आहे कलेक्टर प्लेट. द emitter plate and collector plate will be connected to the external source of the potential difference, that is battery. The potential difference will be varied with the help of this potential divider arrangement or rheostat. rheostat साहाय्याने किंवा potential divider arrangement साहाय्याने आपण या दोन प्लेट मध्ये अप्लाय केलेलं पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स हे चेंज करू शकतो. ह्या सर्किट मध्ये फ्लो होणारा करंट जो आहे दॅट विल बी मेजर्ड विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिस मायक्रोएमीटर, अँड द पोटेन्शियल डिफरन्स बिटवीन दिस टू प्लेट्स विल बी मेजर्ड विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिस व्होल्टमीटर. The collector plate has given positive potential and as well as negative potential. That means the potential given to this collector plate can be changed by this commutator key. Commutator key will be used to change the potential difference applied to this potential difference. This collector plate. Means the experimental arrangement consists of, in short, it consists of an evacuated glass tube having a side tube provided with quartz window. Two plates, one is called as emitter plate whose photoelectric effect is to be studied, and the collector plate which is fixed inside the tube. The collector plate and emitter plate are connected to the external source of potential difference, that is battery. The potential difference applied between these two plates will be varied with the help of this rheostat or potential divider arrangement. The microammeter will be used to measure the photoelectric current flowing through the circuit. Voltmeter will be used to measure the potential difference between these two applied between these two plates. The collector plate has given positive as well as negative potential. The commutator key will be provided to change the potential given to the collector plate, and this is the experimental arrangement. Now we have to see the working. In short, the ultraviolet radiations or the radiation of suitable frequency and intensity enters through quartz window in the tube and incident on the metal plate, that is emitter plate. As soon as the light waves incident, the radiation incident on the metal surface, the electrons are emitted. High voltage spark will be produced inside, passes through this metal plate and emitter plate, and the electrons are emitted. And these electrons are collected by the collector plate, attracted towards the collector plate which is connected to the positive potential of the battery. आपण ही जी कलेक्टर प्लेट आहे, ही कलेक्टर प्लेट आपण या पॉझिटिव्ह पोटेन्शियलला आपण कनेक्ट केलेली आहे. म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी कलेक्टर वर आहे पॉझिटिव्ह पोटेन्शियल अँड एमिटर हॅज द निगेटिव्ह पोटेन्शियल. ड्यू टू निगेटिव्ह पोटेन्शियल द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर रिपेल्ड and these electrons are collected by this collector, and when the potential difference is applied, then these electrons will be flows through this circuit, that is photoelectric current flows through the circuit, and this photoelectric current will be measured with the help of this microammeter, and the potential difference applied between these two plates can be varied, can be changed, and in detail the different steps to study the photoelectric effect and the characteristics of the photoelectric effect can be सीन इन द नेक्स्ट पिरियड. आपण पुढच्या पिरियडला याचं डिटेलमध्ये वर्किंग पाहणार आहोत, डिफरंट स्टेप्स पाहणार आहोत आणि त्याच्यावरून आपल्याला कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट द्यायचे. दिस इज द एक्सपेरिमेंटल अरेंजमेंट अँड द वर्किंग ऑफ धिस experimental setup of the photoelectric effect. Here the current flowing through the circuit is called as photoelectric current.